guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this halo cut crease. I'm going to take the Nude paper palette from the Rainbow Station. You guys can use my code SPLASH for a discount. Using this light brown shade, I'm just going to get a fluffy brush and put it right in my crease and just make sure it's nice and evenly blended out. Now taking this orange shade, I'm just going to put that right in my crease as well and blend it into that light brown shade. Now taking this pink shade, I'm going to get a smaller brush and I'm going to put it in my crease, but not covering up all of that orange, just right above my crease. Once that's blended, I'm going to take this Candid Photo Ready Concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm bringing it a little bit above my crease so that when my eyes are open, you can still see the whole cut crease. Once I get it even, I like to pat it with my finger just so it's a nice smooth base. And then I'm going to take that pink shade again and just darken up right along the edge of that crease. Now taking the mini Zodiac Aquarius palette, I'm going to get this dark blue shade and I'm going to pack it on the outer corner of my eye and on the inner corner of my eye, creating a V shape. Now taking this light blue shimmer shade, I'm going to pack it on in that inner V that I just created, and then I'm going to smooth out the edges. Now taking the ABHNorvina Volume 2 palette, I'm going to get this other shimmer shade and pack it on top of the one that I just applied just to make it a little bit more bold. This is optional. Going back to the Nude paper palette, I'm going to take this warm brown shade and put it on my lower lash line. Now taking this pink shade, I'm also going to put that on the bottom lash line to warm it up, and I'm also going to bring it right above my crease again and just blend it in just to warm it up a little bit more. Now getting the Zodiac Aquarius palette again, I'm going to take that highlight and I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye and blend it into that blue, and then I'm going to get the dark blue and just clean it up a little bit. Taking a shimmer shade from the Nude paper palette, I'm going to add an underbrow highlight, and then once that's on, I'm just going to get a fluffy brush and make sure it's nice and blend it in. I'm going to get this Farmasi Express eye pencil in 06 and bring it into my waterline. Getting this dark blue again, I'm going to bring it and darken up my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I'm going to use Farmasi Ink liner. finish, I'm going to take Farmasi Zen mascara before I apply falsies. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys find my tutorials helpful. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and if you guys can like and subscribe, it's greatly appreciated. I am also on Facebook at A Splash of Beauty where I do lives. Thank you guys so much for watching.